Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're joining us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon. This way, you'll stay updated with our daily insights designed to help you navigate the world of finance. Today, we've got something special for you. Unlock your wealth. 12 surprising money rules you aren't following yet. Make sure to watch until the end, because we have 2 incredible bonuses lined up. 12 key takeaways and 12 practical exercise of these money rules. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Ready to transform your financial future? Let's dive right in. 1. Track every penny. You've probably heard this a million times, but it's so crucial it bears repeating. Track every single penny you spend. Why? Because the goal here is to identify and eliminate wasteful spending habits. If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. Peter Drucker wasn't kidding. Start by analyzing your spending categories. Find those sneaky, unused subscriptions. Yes, I've been guilty too. And cut them out. Consider cheaper alternatives for your activities, and soon, you'll not only save money, but also gain valuable knowledge. Remember, every penny counts. 2. Make a budget. I know it sounds like a hassle with all the paperwork, but it's the only way to really see where your money is going. Once you find your rhythm, stick to it. Don't just make a budget and forget about it. Update and review it regularly. You can even use free digital tools to help manage it easier. 3. Limit unbudgeted spending. Next up, give yourself a limit on unbudgeted spending. Impulse buys might feel good momentarily, but they often lead to buyer's remorse. Implement the 1% rule. Wait a day before buying anything over 1% of your annual income. This 24-hour rule forces you to think about whether you truly need it or just want it. 4. Save for big purchases. That stunning 90-inch TV might be tempting, but hold off on whipping out the credit card. Instead, save up and pay cash. It might even be cheaper by the time you have the cash, or you could find better financing options. 5. Read finance books. Educate yourself by reading books on finance. Financial literacy is like a superpower. It puts you in control of your financial destiny. The more you learn, the better your financial decisions will be. 6. Lower monthly bills. Cut down on your monthly bills. You can't always reduce fixed costs like rent, but you can certainly lower variable expenses. Shop around for better insurance rates, buy groceries in bulk, and reconsider those loans you've been offered. 7. Eat at home. Eat at home more often. It's simple, reduces your spending, and can be a lot healthier. Start by planning your meals and gradually increase how often you cook at home. 8. Pay off debt. Next, focus on paying off your debt. High-interest debt, like from credit cards, can cripple your finances. Develop a plan, negotiate better rates, and prioritize repaying debts quickly. 9. Stop using credit cards. They're useful, but they can be a quick route to unnecessary debt. Try using cash or debit cards instead to help keep your spending in check. 10. Undertake a spending fast. Consider a spending fast to reset your financial habits. Just like a detox for your body, this involves cutting non-essential spending for a set period. It's tough but incredibly effective for regaining control over your finances. 11. Invest regularly. Make investing a habit, whether it's stocks, bonds, or real estate. The key to growing your wealth is consistent investing. Start small if you need to, but the important thing is to start. Use automatic deductions from your paycheck to fund your investments, ensuring you contribute regularly. Over time, compounding interest works its magic, significantly increasing your financial portfolio. Remember, it's not about timing the market, but time in the market that counts. 12. Review and adjust financial goals annually. And finally, review and adjust your financial goals each year. Your financial journey isn't set in stone. As your life changes, maybe you get a new job, buy a house, or start a family, your financial strategies should evolve too. Set aside time each year to assess your progress towards your financial goals and make adjustments as necessary. This ensures that your financial plans remain relevant and aligned with your life's path. Stay proactive about your finances, and you'll navigate changes more smoothly and confidently. And there you have it, 12 golden rules for financial success. Try these out, and you'll not only see your finances improve, but you'll also be ahead in your financial journey. Bonus 1. Here are the 12 key takeaways. 1. Track every penny. Monitoring all expenses is critical for identifying and eliminating unnecessary spending. By understanding where every penny goes, you can make informed decisions to cut costs and optimize spending. 2. Make a budget. Budgeting helps you see exactly where your money goes and ensures you can plan for both necessities and savings. Regular updates to your budget are crucial to keep it relevant. 3. Limit unbudgeted spending. Setting boundaries for impulsive spending can greatly improve financial health. The 1% rule encourages thoughtful purchasing by requiring a waiting period for larger expenses. 4. Save for big purchases. Instead of incurring debt for large purchases, saving up and paying with cash can prevent financial strain and possibly secure better deals. 5. Read finance books. Educating yourself through finance books enhances financial literacy, equipping you with better decision-making skills for managing money. 6. Lower monthly bills. Reducing variable expenses like utility bills, insurance, and groceries can significantly decrease overall spending. 7. Eat at home. Cooking at home saves money and can lead to healthier eating habits compared to dining out frequently. 8. Pay off debt. Tackling high-interest debt aggressively improves your financial situation and can reduce the total interest paid over time. 9. Stop using credit cards. Minimizing reliance on credit cards helps prevent debt accumulation and encourages more mindful spending habits. 10. Undertake a spending fast. Implementing a period of limited spending can reset and refine your spending habits, leading to long-term financial health improvements. 11. Invest regularly. Consistent investment is crucial for building wealth over time. Whether it's through stocks, bonds, or real estate, starting small and making regular contributions can lead to significant growth due to the power of compounding interest. 12. Review and adjust financial goals annually. It's essential to review and adjust your financial goals each year to reflect any changes in your life, such as a new job, purchasing a home, or changes in family dynamics. As personal circumstances and goals evolve, so should financial strategies. This adaptability ensures that financial plans stay relevant and effective. Bonus 2, here are 12 exercises on how to implement the takeaways. 1. Track every penny. For 1 month, keep a detailed daily log of every expense you make, no matter how small. At the end of the month, categorize your expenses into needs, wants, and savings. Review the categories to identify unnecessary spending and create a plan to cut back. 2. Make a budget. Create a simple budget using a spreadsheet or budgeting app. List your income, fixed expenses like rent and utilities, variable expenses like groceries and entertainment, and savings goals. Update the budget weekly and compare it to your actual spending to see where you need to adjust. 3. Limit unbudgeted spending. Implement the 1% rule for 1 month. For any unplanned purchase over 1% of your monthly income, wait 24 hours before buying. During this waiting period, evaluate if the purchase aligns with your financial goals and if it's truly necessary. 4. Save for big purchases. Identify a large purchase you plan to make in the next 6 months. For example, a new appliance, vacation, or car. Set up a separate savings account and automate transfers into this account from each paycheck. Calculate how much you need to save each week to reach your goal without incurring debt. 5. Read finance books. Choose one highly recommended personal finance book, for example, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki or The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. Set a goal to read one chapter per week and take notes on key takeaways. At the end of the book, summarize what you've learned and how you'll apply it to your finances. 6. Lower monthly bills. Review all your monthly bills and identify one to reduce. For example, internet, phone, insurance. Research alternative providers or plans. Call your current provider to negotiate a better rate or implement energy-saving practices to lower utility bills. Track your savings for 1 month. 7. Eat at home. Plan and prepare all your meals at home for 1 week. Create a meal plan and grocery list, cook in batches, and track how much you save compared to your usual spending on dining out. Reflect on the health benefits and cost savings at the end of the week. 8. Pay off debt. Make a list of all your debts, including the balance, interest rate, and minimum monthly payment for each. Use the debt avalanche method. Prioritize paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, while making minimum payments on the others. Track your progress over 3 months and note how much interest you've saved. 9. Stop using credit cards. For 1 month, switch to a cash-only system or use a debit card for all purchases. Leave your credit cards at home and track how this change affects your spending habits. Reflect on the ease or difficulty of this transition and any changes in your financial behavior. 10. Undertake a spending fast. Choose a 30-day period and commit to a spending fast on non-essential items. Only spend money on necessities such as rent, groceries, and bills. Keep a journal to document the experience, noting any challenges and how your perception of spending changes over the month. 11. Invest regularly. Set up a recurring monthly transfer to an investment account, even if it's a small amount like $50. Choose a mix of stocks, bonds, or ETFs that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Track the growth of your investments over 6 months to see the power of regular contributions. 12. Review and adjust financial goals annually. At the start of the new year, set aside time to review your financial goals. Reflect on the past year's achievements and changes in your personal circumstances. Adjust your goals and budget to align with any new priorities, such as saving for a home, increasing retirement contributions, or funding a new hobby. Write down your updated financial plan and revisit it quarterly to ensure you stay on track. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. Your support enables us to continue delivering valuable content like this every day. Let's grow our financial knowledge together.